Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to install VMware Workstation 17. VMware Workstation 17 or any version also called as Hosted Hypervisor, meaning that we are installing this application on top of operating system. We are not installing this application directly on the hardware. ESXi server is the bare metal hypervisor and the VMware Workstation is Hosted Hypervisor. Okay, there is virtual box also, that is Hosted Hypervisor. VMware Workstation is Hosted Hypervisor. Just keep in mind that you are not able to install this application direct on the hardware. ESXi host would be installing direct on the hardware as well as on the inside VMware Workstation or any hosted hypervisor application. The application is downloaded. Either you can just click on this one and you can go to the location where it is saved. Just double click on it. Of course, everybody know how to install it, but as a part of this course, I am doing this. Say yes. The window came up on my another screen. Let me bring it up over here. Come boy. Okay, so click on next, accept the agreement, next, leave as default, say next, and check these boxes. We really don't want updates and we really don't want to join this program. Say next, desktop, start menu. So the shortcut would be create in desktop and in the start menu too. Next, click on install. The installation would not take much time. Okay, we are done with the installation. Let's see you next video. Thank you very much.